My mum started the Little Welsh Chocolate Company. She was trying to raise money for the care home that she worked at. So she started making chocolate truffles and she'd sell them at fundraising events, and she was inundated with orders. And eventually I got involved full-time as well. The motivation is to create an ethical bar that tastes amazing, but you don't have to feel guilty about eating. I came into the business thinking that I knew quite a lot, but actually it's been a massive learning curve, and I've learnt stuff through Busnes Wales and online tutorials, and everything has been kind of learnt along the way. So my wow moment was when we had the packaging done. I think it was the first moment that we actually thought that this could go from hobby to a professional business. I definitely think having Welsh heritage in my brand helps the business. We've got so many Welsh businesses that want to stock our chocolate. They want to really support their own, which is lovely. We've actually been banned now at family events from talking about chocolate because we're just obsessed.